Hello my beautiful people, I hope you guys are doing great. So I've been showing you guys this area in a while that, and look all over here. So we still got peppers, tomatoes. So it's very windy right now, and it just made me think about how fall is around the corner. You know, the season is changing, everything is changing. There is a time to plant, and there's a time to harvest, and there's a time to clean up. So we have done the planting, we have done the harvesting, and it's almost time to clean up. Like literally, look at that. Tomato flowers, flowers, more, what are flowers, more. And look at that, all these clusters of tomatoes, right? We'll go down there and get some ripe ones. It's like they don't want to die down. Look at that. Tomato flowers. So you see the okra, we got okra almost my height. It's all over the place. The squash have even spread more. Remember those big squash that I picked? They're coming in some more. And then I have ginger growing right here, and I can see ginger on the bottom there. Oh yeah, I see some ginger down there. Let's go. So my African brothers and sisters, you guys know what this is. This is bitter ball. It's a whole bush of bitter ball here. This is just one of the bushes. I have some more on the other side. This is fennel, and the seeds are spreading. I just let the seeds spread all over, so next year I can get more fennel. This is one of the apple trees here. So I have a lot of cleaning up to do, okay? And I have some more ginger here. You see? Look at the ginger. I have more ginger on the other side, and this is the comfrey, one of the comfrey, and it's spreading more. Then I have lemongrass all over, and this is the other apple tree that I picked our last apple from the other day. So it's going to be a lot of cleaning up to do. But you know what? This entire area has served us really well this summer. Look at cassava leaf. You see cassava leaf? All over. This is all peppers. So even though fall is coming, but it takes a while for my babies to die down. And I'm really grateful for that. I also have some ginger here in these containers that I'm going to put in pot and take some in the house. So if you want to purchase some ginger, fresh ginger plant, these are ginger from back home, let me know, inbox me so you can get yours before everything finished. And then this is one of my turmeric plants that I have over here. So over here, this is the funny thing, during the fall, right before fall, it's like I get a bunch of tomatoes again. All of them start back growing up. This is another ginger that I have here, and look, I'm growing it in rice bag. I don't know if you guys can remember the same rice bag last year I grew potatoes in. And then we got some orange peppers over there. I get some out. We got more bell peppers in, and look, it's still flowering more. And we got stuff hanging all over the place. You see the beans is dying down. That's one of the first things that died down is the beans. So it's pretty much done. Is that a baby butternut squash trying to come in? You see that cutie pie? Look at that. Oh. So you see all of this hanging. Oh, the peppers. Nice, juicy. I just picked all the red ones. So these are the green ones now. So I gave it 2 days, come back out, and they will all be red. Oh, I see some ripe pepper up there too. Yeah, so, and then tomatoes. More peppers, and then we got different pepper here, different bitter ball, then two hanging down. Bitter ball all over the place, okra all over the place. And I wanted you to see something. Some of my potatoes are starting to grow back. I have some potatoes on the other side too that is growing back. And this here, if you guys don't know about it, it is called cassava leaf. See my basil plant, the flowers. The brown ones here, the seeds have already dried. So I'm just waiting for all of it to dry so I can collect them. And then the other day I picked some of these peppers. You guys remember them, how they were nice and big? I picked 3 the other day. We ate it with our salad. They're coming back in. And then we got our other pepper coming back in too. So right now for a lot of people, a lot of things have died down. But not me. I'm grateful. Look at them. Look at all of that. All these peppers, all up in here, all these peppers. basil smells so yummy right now. I want to eat pizza.